Dear students, hello. I hope you all must be keeping fit and fine at your places. Today we are going to revise activity 5 and 6 of page number 47, 48. So children, the first activity 4 is timetable on page number 47. Children, we wrote this timetable according to our online class. You can prepare your own timetable also. When we first did it, I have already shared it with you. Today you will practice yourself for your timetable. Now move to activity 5, page number 48. Activity 5, page number 48. Activity 5 is about proverbs. I hope you all remember it. So what we did here, we wrote our ideas for the given proverbs. Now look at the screen and listen to the answer once again. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means we should not judge anything by its external appearance. We should not judge anything by its external appearance. Second is action speaks louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. It means we should not only speak but also prove ourselves. We should not only speak but also prove ourselves. Number 3 is early bird catches the worm. It means we should do all our works on time. We should do all our work on time. Number 4, fortune favors the bold. Fortune favors the bold. It means if we work hard for something, we will achieve success. If we work hard for something, we will achieve success. If we work hard for something, we will achieve success. Next is all that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. It means not everything that is shiny and beautiful in appearance is valuable. Not everything that is shiny and beautiful is appearance is valuable. Number 6, united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. It means if we work together, we can be successful, but if we fight with each other, we will fail. If we work together, we can be successful, but if we fight with each other, we will fail. Now move to activity 6. Activity 6 on the same page. You have a painful experience from your friend, relative, or neighbor. Whom will you share it with? How will you handle the situation? So the answer is I will share the painful experience with my parents and handle the situation with patience. 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 I will share the experience with my parents. Children, we always try to share our things with our parents first and then with our friends or teachers. Second is Raj is your close friend. One day he comes to your home. He requests you to accompany him to his uncle's house. You know your parents will not give you permission, but you don't want to hurt your friends too. Write what you will do. What you will do here, children? Answer is I will help him understand that it is important for us to seek our parents' permission in everything that we do. Children, whenever we are doing anything, we should take the permission from our elders, whether it is right or wrong. Without permission, we should not do any work. Children, revise your work properly, learn the spellings, do the reading again and again, as the questions will be set from within the lessons. Stay home, stay safe, take care.